What's up? Welcome back to the vlog. I just walked in my apartment. I landed from Texas. I flew in this morning. It's 1 p.m. So I need to get my life together. Gillian and I are getting our nails done for her birthday today at 3:30. And yeah, but we have a ton of PR to unbox. So before we unpack, let's unbox, shall we? There we go, look at all that. Ugh, lovely. I love that, my favorite day. Look at my couch, I missed her. She's so pretty. I need a box knife because I'd be walking around with this big ass Cuisinart shredder and I'm just like, anyway. All right, first up, this one. Ooh, body wash, the Energizer Mandelic Acid Body Wash. Can you see? Salicylic acid body spray, period. What does that do? I'll figure it out. Body care is active as you because they know I'm active and skinny and skinty and fit and hot. Amazing, thank you, I love you guys so much. Wait, this next one is this fan. They were like, do you want a fan? I was like, you know what? You know what? I'll always take a fan. I'll always take a fan. Let's open the fan. She ain't sad. Right. Okay, she's cute. Wi-Fi pairing. App. Ooh, period. Me and my fan. Okay, thank you for the fan. Next. Wait, what is this? Tommy Bahama? Oh wait, it's the new cologne. Oh my god, stop, I love them. Love them, yes. Ooh. Okay, summer. Like, tell me that doesn't scream summer. Oh my god, I love you, Tommy Bahama, thank you. Many kisses all the way around. Okay, next is gonna be this box, because I have no clue what it is. I think it's like a mixer that I ordered on Prime Day. Oh, holy shit. Okay, I can't show you guys this because it's for a new brand deal, but like, what the? Wow, okay, wow. All right, now let's get to Revolve, shall we? Oh, this is a necklace, and then these are Norse Project pants. Love those. And then come here, come hither. Come here, baby. Okay. First thing is this hoodie that says, I'm bored already. Second is this, ooh, Aviator Nation hoodie. Love that. Oh, white vintage pants, bootling. Okay, next is this jacket I'm really excited about. It's this, like, I don't know, retro jacket. Then, I got this Stay Cool butterfly hoodie, because I love, like, butterflies. Wait, you guys can't see me. Come closer. I've just wanted to try these for forever. They're these, Malin and, I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry. Oh, I got that, BEIS base tote bag for the plane. That's what this is. And then I got, oh, this shirt that says my boyfriend's out of town. Stop. This is amazing. I love that. And then this is a necklace, a gummy bear necklace. And then these shoes are On shoes. They're like the ones I was wearing, but like a different color. Can you see them? I love that. And then these shoes, I got Sambas. In light blue. Those are so pretty. Okay, I love them. Okay, I'm gonna shower, unpack all this stuff, and then I have to film the videos for Revolve, get those done, and then get ready to go. Gillian and I are getting our nails done at 3. It's 2:09 right now, 3:30, so I have to leave here in about 40 minutes. Oh my god, I'm gonna run out of time. This is the state of my room. I couldn't finish packing because I have to go pick up Gillian, but that's where we're headed right now. So let's go get our nails redid. I haven't been in my car in like 2.5 weeks now. My license plates are non-existent on it because I have to get them replaced, but I haven't been here to get them. I don't have a registration sticker on the car because I was supposed to get that before I left, but then I decided to leave early. So I'm really driving around on an unauthorized vehicle and I'm slaying it. But don't do that, not recommended. Hi, baby. Gillian took us to this place, Cool Nails, which is where we are. I'm not gonna bring the camera in because I don't want them to think I'm videoing them, you know? Like, I feel like that's rude and awkward, but we gotta go, we're late for the appointment. She's yelling at me, here we go. Is my parking bad? No, well, nobody can park in that spot, it's disheveled. Gillian got her nails did.
Barbie,
period.
for 21.
For her 21st birthday this week. Now it's Trader Joe's. Oh, you're almost dead. Prayers up, you don't die. Good morning. My camera died last night. Where did we leave off? We went to the nail salon. Then we went to Trader Joe's, got some stuff. And then after Trader Joe's, we went back to Gillian's apartment. I got like some grilled chicken from Trader Joe's. I ate it there and then waited around there for a little. I was gonna go to the movie with them and a bunch of people. And then my apartment was an absolute wreck. So I was like, no, I need to get home and like unpack. And so I did that last night. And then I literally crashed. I woke up to like people, yo, are you awake? Are you awake? It was like, apparently I went to bed at like 9. I was like, no, I'm not awake. I'm sound asleep. Thank you. Move on to the next person in your contacts because I am not available. Anyway, I scheduled a workout in Orange Theory class at 7 a.m. It's 6:08 right now. So we're gonna have to go do that pretty soon here. I figured after that, I'll feel much better about myself. And then Nick and I are gonna go get breakfast, Nick, my roommate, and then we're gonna go, and then I have at, I think 11, if Lainey wakes up, we're gonna go film a different video where she teaches me gymnastics. I don't know if she'll be up, but if she is, we'll go. Oh, and then we have Gillian's birthday party tonight, so that'll be fun. I'm obsessed with this hoodie. Like, oh my god, the butterflies. Love it. We have to leave soon. I don't know why I'm dilly-dallying. This is behind the scenes of my messy closet. I low-key really regret this Orange Theory class, but Orange Theory, it's just me and all the moms, but I feel so good after. I'm like, why wouldn't I? I'm getting fully naked right now on camera. Like, my full ass and eggplant are out, okay? So, just prepare yourselves. I want to move to Miami or somewhere else where I have more room because I'm out of room. I do not have closet space left. I'll show you all these boxes that I have that are just sitting. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this hoodie. This hoodie can actually bend me over. And anyway, I have this terrible blister on the back of my foot from playing pickleball. And the shoes I've been wearing, I love them, but I don't think they're good for the blister because it's like been bleeding through socks and band-aids. I've been putting 2 band-aids on this anytime I wear shoes to work out, and it still bleeds through the socks. I'm like, what are you? Like, calm down. It is not your time of the month. Ooh. So this instructor at Orange Theory, I actually despise the dude. He pisses me off. He's like really like bro-y. Like I walk in, it's 6 a.m. some mornings, and he's like, bro, what's up? I'm like, nothing good when you're talking like that, motherfucker. Let me tell you who this hoodie's by. Stay Cool. Stay Cool NYC. I'm gonna go order a bunch of more stuff from them. Do I need more? No, but I want more because it's insanely fun. I haven't even taken my morning shit. People need to be mandated to wear deodorant, may I just say. People, if you're not wearing deodorant actively and all the time, you need help. You need help. And life skills, because what are you doing? I need to go to Whole Foods this morning too. That's the other thing I forgot to say. I have no food in my house. And I'm only here for a few days, but I'm gonna wanna cook. So, we have to find something to cook and bake. Okay, we're heading out of the house now. Oh, it's so nice outside. Oh my god, I want to go for a walk after my workout. Here we go. Time to go work out. It's so cool outside this morning. It's like 65 degrees. What is that? That is not summer weather, but it's gonna be like 95 later. That's the thing about Jersey is like in the morning it's cool, I've realized, but then it gets so humid and so hot that it makes me actually want to shoot my brains out. But I don't. I just thrive. Okay, I gotta drive. So I'm just sitting here waiting for them to open. I gotta get out of the house a little bit more, I've realized. I'll see you after I work out, babe. I love you, don't get lonely. I just finished. It's now 7:57 in the morning. I'm absolutely dead. I don't know why people are walking out smiling. The instructor pisses me the f off. And that's all I have to say about that. Here we go. Come on, Nick. You're welcome. Look up. That's right. 20 minutes later, we made it because I got lost, even though our apartment building is right there and you can see it from here. Yeah, but what do we engagement party? Huh? I got a veggie omelet. Nick got a meat lover's omelet because he loves his meat. Or what? Yes, Lord. Okay, I have to do some editing now and then go to Whole Foods in about an hour and so I'm just gonna edit and relax and then get work done before I go to the store. Okay, I finished 1 video out of 5 that I'm working on, so that's celebrate the little victories, I guess, the small things. Now I'm going to Whole Foods to get some food. Literally look at our fridge and pantry. This is not a joke. You can't make this up. That's it. That's it. Pantry. Like nothing. Like nothing. So we're gonna stock up, okay? So that I can munch, so I can cook, so I can eat, so I can live. The milk in there is expired too. Live, laugh, love. We keep our apartment at 64 degrees, so it's freezing in there, and I'm always bundled up in sweatpants, and then I come outside and it's 95 fucking degrees with like 80% humidity, and I start dying, panting. I just wanted to tell you that. Let's drive to Whole Foods. You can't see me. Okay, I'm back from Whole Foods, and Siri, pause. Siri, pause.
There's nothing playing.
Shut up, bitch. Tell me why my groceries were 200 bucks. Like make it make sense, because this is not a lot. It's 2 bags. This is not a lot. I got cotton candy grapes, which I'm so excited about. Bananas, but you know I love a good banana. These potatoes, I'm gonna make steak one night with potatoes. Lemons, I forget why I bought lemons, to be completely honest. But maybe I'll try like a lemon water cleanse, who the fuck knows. Baby spinach, love her. Large brown eggs, love them. This is my favorite protein powder. It's the organic protein powder, the vanilla from Whole Foods. It's amazing. It's like dessert to me. I love it. Little baby tomatoes, some old-fashioned rolled oats. I want to do, I forgot all the other stuff. I want to do overnight oats. Anyway, I forgot everything. Apples, I just got 2 because I'm leaving again on Thursday. Ground turkey breast, I always get ground turkey when I go to the store. I love ground turkey. And then this is just a ribeye for me to cook one night. Oh, I got these. I love these. They're the True Fruit bananas with peanut butter. They're so good. As like a little snack. 2 avocados just to have. An almond milk. This almond milk creamer, vanilla for coffees. And then just a big stoked coffee. And that's it. That's all I really got. So nothing too crazy, but why was it 200 bucks? You know how I love my Whole Foods hot bar? So obviously I got lunch from there. Let me show you what I got real quick. I got a little potato salad, fried rice, broccoli, and tofu, and chicken. That's it, simple. I love tofu. It always makes my stomach like hurt bad though. You guys, it's currently 11 p.m. I took a nap earlier and then I woke up and realized I was late to go to Gillian's. So I woke up, got ready real quick, and then we went to this restaurant, Fat Cactus. I wasn't planning on filming that anyway because I didn't want to bring a camera to a big dinner, but that was fun. And then I came back here and I'm sitting on my couch watching YouTube and getting ready for bed. Tomorrow we're going to a farmer's market. I gotta clean a bunch. I didn't clean at all today. I have a ton of work to do tomorrow. Love you. I got a stand mixer on Prime Day too, and it just came in and it's matte black and it looks amazing. And does it match my kitchen? No, but like my dream kitchen one day, it'll match. And I'll be like, oh, this was the first one that I bought on my own. You know what I mean? She's so cute. Not me romanticizing a mixer. I know, I need something to flirt with on the daily.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, I'm opening my thing. We're talking about people we need to flirt with. Baby, who's coming to the pumpkin patch with me in the fall, right? We're not putting flannel on as we're single. No. Flannel is for fall. Flannel is for fall love. What the is this?
What even is that?
It's a clothing rack. Because I wanted to display like nice clothes because I ran out of closet space.
Yeah.
Not anything to build.
Can you twerk or what?
I can twerk. Let's twerk.
Oh.
Wait. Isn't there like a twerk song? Twerkalicious?
Twerkulator.
Siri, play Twerkulator.
Now playing Twerkulator by City Girls.
Are you?
I'll build you dancing.
Step 1. We need F, G, and F. Okay. Time for the Twerkulator. Siri, play Ed Sheeran. Jillian.
No.
You have to push that down.
Oh.
I love how every time Gillian and I build something, it's her building more than me, but we just constantly nag. Because I want to tell her what to do, but I don't want to do it. It's like, you gotta do this. Good morning, guys. It's Monday morning. We have my photo shoot today, so I'm gonna get ready. It's only 7, but I don't have to leave here till probably around noon. I do want to pack my outfits, get everything situated, get some work done, and then go from there. Let's get ready. I need coffee first. Look at my tan line, that's terrible. Sapphire faded jeans. My hair is a mess. Wait, you guys can't see it, but my hair, just a splash of cream. I need to get laid. For my shoot today, we're going like kind of classy, fashion forward a little bit, but also not at the same time. We're just doing everything. And that's what I love about this photographer. She's the best. I'll link her stuff in the description. We just always have a great time. It's gonna be a long shoot, but Gillian is coming with me. Gillian doesn't even like going to the city, but she's like literally is such a trooper for going with me because it is kind of a hassle to get to. And I'm gonna have a bunch of stuff. I gotta depuff my eyes before this shoot. Wait, I swear I had eye patches. Incredible. Period. Love that. Slang, thriving, driving, and sliving. I don't know. This is my packing progress. So I'm bringing all this stuff, right? Like, it's a lot. Anyway, so that's that. And then I'm gonna try and fit it in this suitcase, a suit bag for the blazers, and then just this big tote bag. I'm gonna try and carry everything in, but I don't know. And then we have to get on public transportation looking like that. No, like, it's not gonna be a competition, so let me take my chains off. I love this shirt. It says my boyfriend's out of town. It's gonna be so cute in the photo shoot. I'm bringing these little YSL white ones, because they're cute. Ferragamo loafers, because they're cute. I'm just gonna steam everything there. I already told her, I was like, hey, hope you have a steamer, because baby boy needs to steam everything. Everything. The fact that I'm getting up and going to this photo shoot after everything that's happened this week is like, what a fucking trooper I am. Fuck all of you. Not you, but like the other people. Like, fuck them. I'm the shit, bitch. We're in the Uber, going to the studio right now. We're at the studio.
Did I leave my purse in the Uber? Oh my god.
Oh my god, you did. So Gillian forgot her purse in the Uber. He was a king though. He came back and brought it for us.
Jake is so nice and the best friend ever.
Yeah, I got her. Well, what was I gonna say? No. Maybe. Depends on my mood. We're in the studio.
The feel good music is
Hello, everybody. We're unpacking and getting ready. Fit 2.
Oh, that's fire. Okay, this is great. Wait.
Okay, I'm home now, I'm showered. Getting back was a pain because we left the studio at rush hour, but the photo shoot was amazing. The pictures look incredible. I can't wait for you guys to see them. Guys, here's my steak. It's all done and cooked. Oh my God, fuck. All right, guys, it's now Wednesday at 3 p.m. I made a cake this morning for Gillian. I had to wait for my new SD card to get in. That's why I didn't vlog anything, but I'm gonna go, Gillian and I are doing dinner for her birthday. Her birthday's tomorrow, but I'm flying out to Canada in the morning, so I won't see her on her birthday. So I'm making a cake, but I have to run to Michael's right now to get some last minute stuff to decorate it. And then after that, I'm gonna run over to Party City, get her some balloons, bring those over to her apartment. We're gonna go get sushi. And then I don't know if she wants to come back here for the cake or go to her apartment, so I'll see. But then I have to pack for Canada tomorrow. I already picked out my outfit for the Tate McRae concert, so I'm excited for that. But other than that, I have nothing packed, nothing planned, and nothing together. And I also have homework assignments due today. Today's been a wreck. I'm looking for fun pink stuff to put on it. I like these. Okay, I got everything I needed from Michael's. I got a cake box, and then some, I got a few gift cards, and then I like these sprinkles. I showed you them in the store, and then I just got some color and some candles and all that for the cake. So now I'm gonna run home and try and make that, place the order at Party City so that I can run and pick those up and then head over to Gillian's, and then we'll go to dinner, do all that, and then I'll come back and probably pack late tonight. I have about 10 minutes before I have to leave, so I'm just finalizing her gift. I love giving people gifts, it's so fun. I've talked about this before, it's like my love language. Anyway, and then I'm running to Party City. Oh wait, I never showed you the cake. The cake is really pretty. I'll show you a picture because it's in the fridge because it's so hot outside that it was like melting. It says 20-fucking-1 and it's like kind of cute. I don't know. I was proud of it. She'll love it, I hope. Okay, gift is done. Wait, oh my God, I lost the card. Guys, look at my room. It's atrociously a mess. I have to pack tonight when I get home. And then I have to work out. I'm probably not gonna get home till 9. I'll go to bed at like 11 and I have to wake up at 5. So yeah, live, laugh, love. Only I do this to myself because I'm an idiot. So let's find a fit to wear tonight. I think I'm just gonna go simple black tee, just because, or black polo, and then shorts. Are those way too wrinkled? Those are way too wrinkled. I could steam them. I'm low-key skinny now, so they might not fit, but that's not a bad problem to have. Who cares? Not me. Okay, I'm gonna take everything to Gillian's. It's time to go, but my camera's about to die, so I can't take it with me, and I'm just gonna end the vlog here because the next one is gonna start tomorrow morning, and it's gonna be the Canada vlog, which is gonna be really exciting, so stay tuned for that. I'm trying to post every Monday, so that's the goal. We'll see if that actually works. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications, all the things. Follow me on all my other social medias at Jake Eldridge, especially Instagram for those modeling pictures. Those are gonna be exciting. But I love you guys and thank you for staying the whole time if you did.